Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 FE and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the Play Store. So you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can either check our tutorial of how to do it, or you can do it after entering the Play Store. Alright, so now let me enter this circle, which is our account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here we have to tap on Manage and tap on Updates Available. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which can be updated. And of course, if you want to, you can mark all of those apps. If not, just choose specific ones. So I will choose Google Chrome, maybe Google Messages, right here. So just mark them and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.